Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your crypto data to Google Drive securely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have a reliable internet connection. Log into your Google Drive account using your web browser or app. Navigate to the folder where you want to store your crypto data. Create a new folder specifically for your cryptocurrency backups. Name the folder clearly, such as Crypto Backups. Gather all necessary files that contain your crypto data. This may include wallet exports, private keys, and transaction histories. It's crucial to encrypt these files for added security. You can use software like VeraCrypt or WinRAR to encrypt your files. Once encrypted, save the files to your device. Go back to your Google Drive folder. Click on the New button in the top left corner. Select File Upload from the drop-down menu. Locate and choose your encrypted files for upload. Wait for the upload to complete, ensuring all files are present. After uploading, right-click on the encrypted files in Google Drive. Select Share to manage access settings. Make sure to set the sharing to restricted to enhance security. Regularly check your backup to ensure files remain intact. Consider setting reminders to update your backup regularly. Be cautious about sharing your Google account credentials. This helps to prevent unauthorized access to your sensitive data. Encrypt your files before uploading each time for maximum safety. Remember to test your backup by attempting to decrypt the files. Staying vigilant with your cryptocurrency data is essential for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.